Hey, Quiz Multiverse fam! Ready to prove you're the ultimate math mastermind? Before starting, please subscribe to the Quiz Multiverse channel for more exciting quizzes. Will you crush it or get crushed? Let's find out. Easy level. What your answer? It's 4. Another one. It's 15. Can you solve it? It's 5. Can you guess this one? It's 5. Here's the next one. It's 7. Try this one. It's 3. What could it be? It's 15. What do you think the answer is? It's 10. You're doing great. It's 12. Loved the challenge? Smash subscribe for weekly brain explosions. 2. What your answer? It's 9. Another one. It's 12. Can you solve it? It's 6. Can you guess this one? It's 8. Here's the next one. It's 0. Try this one. It's 4. What could it be? It's 20. What do you think the answer is? It's 9. You're doing great. It's 21. You got this. It's 15. What your answer? It's 15. Another one. It's 40. Can you solve it? It's 4. Can you guess this one? It's 11. Here's the next one. It's 25. This round separates the rookies from the pros. Let's go. It's 32. What could it be? It's 50. What do you think the answer is? It's 20. You're doing great. It's 25. You got this. It's 36. What your answer? It's 9. Another one. It's 100. Can you solve it? It's 9. Can you guess this one? It's 36. Here's the next one. It's 12. Try this one. It's 32. What could it be? It's 70. What do you think the answer is? It's 11. You're doing great. It's 25. You got this. It's 64. What your answer? It's 12. Another one. It's 65. Can you solve it? It's 90. Can you guess this one? It's 13. Here's the next one. It's 38. Try this one. It's 66. What could it be? It's 20. What do you think the answer is? It's 100. You're doing great. It's 85. You got this. It's 15. Hard level. Did anyone solve this without pausing? It's 579. Don't blink. The clock is ticking. It's 300. Here's a tough one. It's 16. Can you solve it? It's 525. Another one. It's 221. Here's the next one. It's 25. Try this one. It's 1023. What do you think the answer is? It's 288. What your answer? It's 25. Another one. It's 891. Can you solve it? It's 333. Can you guess this one? It's 270. Here's the next one. It's 81. Try this one. It's 667. What could it be? It's 391. What do you think the answer is? It's 64. You're doing great. It's 1245. You got this. It's 850. What your answer? It's 120. Another one. It's 666. Can you solve it? It's 492. Can you guess this one? It's 135. Here's the next one. It's 1110. Try this one. It's 990. What could it be? It's 60. Survived the hard round? The next round is a tornado. It's 9. You're doing great. It's 21. Is this a trick question? Let's find out. It's 17. If you got this wrong, blame PEMDAS, not yourself. It's 18. Focus on the brackets first. They're your secret weapon. It's 25. Did anyone solve this without pausing? Drop 100 in the comments. It's 25. Can you solve it? It's 25. Don't blink. The clock is ticking. It's 14. Here's a tough one. It's 26. Here's the next one. It's 26. On to the next. It's 29. Try this one. It's 23. What could it be? 35. What do you think the answer is? It's 21. You're doing great. It's 37. What your answer? It's 30. Another one. It's 30. Can you solve it? It's 24. Can you guess this one? It's 35. Here's the next one. It's 22. Try this one. It's 30. What could it be? It's 27. What do you think the answer is? It's 30. You're doing great. It's 24. You got this. It's 38.